Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 29 of question 29 of Paper 1 SPM Physics 2016. Alright, so let's take a look at the question together. Diagram 17 shows an apparatus set up to investigate the reflection of sound wave. Which condition is correct so that the student can hear a clearer sound of the stopwatch? Alright, so we are investigating reflection of sound wave and we are checking what are the conditions that allow a clearer sound. Now, so let's take a look here. So the situation is that there's actually two components in this experiment. One is the actual reflection itself, while the other is actually over here. Now, so one is the one is the reflection, and here is actually, you can say, it's just the direction, as in the direct sound from the stopwatch to the person's ear. Okay, so there's two ways that the sound wave is actually moving here. So one is through the tubes to the ear, and one is directly. So there's a reason why they actually put a object here in the middle. Alright, so okay, so let's see what we are going to do. Alright, let me remove all of this. Okay, so they did say, okay, there's angle, there's x and y. So the x is over here and the y is over here, and the angles are over here. Now, so when you think about it, you want a clear sound. So when we want a clear sound, not only it has to be clear, but it has to be a distinct sound. So you do not want echoes, okay? You do not want something like a reverb or an echo kind of sound. You want it just to be a distinct sound, okay? So maybe something like my finger snapping here, okay? So that is a very distinct sound. So let's take a look. Now, when we talk about angles, okay, so this, okay, so the answer here will either be C or D, because reflection of sound waves or reflection of anything, the incident angle and the reflected angle will always be the same. All right, so I is equal to R. Okay, so no questions asked. That is how reflections work. Now let's talk about X and Y. So X here, the job of X is actually to reflect the sound waves. So when we talk about reflectors, we are thinking about, okay, when we talk about reflectors, right, the material that we always use has to be hard material. Okay, maybe a piece of wood, for example. All right, anything that has a hard surface is a good reflector of sound. Okay, so it's a good reflector of sound. Now, so X, we want something that is hard surface. So from here, we can actually see is either, okay, so they actually give us two options. It's either plywood or softboard. So from here, we should choose plywood. So it's either this or this. So from here, since we've actually, all right, never mind. Let's continue. Okay, so now we have Y. Now Y, okay, this stopwatch is going to create a sound wave in this direction. All right, let me use it. Okay, yeah, this way. So it's going to go that way. Now, so we do not want the sound to actually go there. It's because what happens is that it's not going to be a clear, distinct sound anymore. Because one, you're going to have a sound that goes from here to the tube here. So you're going to hear one sound, and then you're going to hear another sound. So it's going to be a bit blurry. It's going to be like a double sound. So that's not a very distinct sound. So you want to actually cancel off this area. Okay, so you do not want any sound to go through this direction. So what you do is you want the Y to be a good absorber of sound. So you want an absorber. So if you want an absorber, you want a soft material. So soft materials are very good at absorbing sound so that it does not allow the sound to pass through. So from here, we would say that a good option for Y would be soft board. So from here, we would say that the answer would be D. Okay, so I is equal to R, X is a plywood, and Y is a soft board. Thank you for watching.